We've got the previous batch participants.
So good about 25 years I was there as a nicotine non-smoker. I used to consume it, but then thanks to yes sir consciously जो plan किया yes sir ने पूरा जब कराया तो थोड़ा दिमाग में एक विचार आया कि यार वास्तव में requirement है कि नहीं है. आपको बताया होगा करना या नहीं, it is just at 30 second 20 second वो आया मन में, और अगर उस टाइम पे वो thought को आपने change किया, that half an hour 1 hour passes.
It was nicotine free for about 4 years and I did it again. And after that, somehow I was not in a position to muster courage to quit it the second time, But then, Arun came in and then I decided to join this force. So now I think we are better equipped because initially when I quit, it was sheer willpower. But now at least we have techniques and we understand this the psyche behind this addiction. But this course has given a bit of insight that I'm at least for last 3 months I'm not asked for even a single try from someone, because he has prepared us that these things will happen. Such type of craving will take place, such type of things will come to your mind, and what all techniques you have to utilize or use, to divert your mind from that. So it's going strong. I'm pretty happy that I've gone through this course and it's good. I'm feeling good about it.
Like मैंने कैसे शुरू किया, अरुण ने बोला सर आ जाओ आपको मैं 7 दिन पीने दूंगा फिर तो देखना, तो that leeway मैंने चल देख लेता हूँ, चलो 7 दिन ऐसा नहीं कि बोला कि कल से छोड़ दो, तो हमारा अभी 2.5-3 महीना हो गया, मैं ऑलरेडी आई हैव सेव्ड 15,000 रुपए हेल्थ दैट आई एम गेटिंग बैक. अब ना वो फालतू टेंशन नहीं होता. कभी होता ना कि बीइंग अ डॉक्टर क्या होता है, कभी ना लगता यार इसमें ना सिस्टम प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है या इधर थला पड़ रहा है या इधर ये प्रॉब्लम कैंसर वैंसर तो नहीं हो रहा. देन यू फील लाइक यू आर अ स्लेव दैट यू आर स्टिल स्मोकिंग और यू आर स्टिल हैविंग दैट पान पराग और गुटखा. बट नाउ ना एटलीस्ट आई हैव दैट freedom and that solace that नहीं अब मैं those negative things are stopped. These parties and all, actually our social presence has increased exponentially. Like we are not now missing when somebody, actually we are in the middle of the thing and enjoying every moment rather than looking for some excuse to really go out and have a fag and come back. I mean, and this thing I realized, and I'm just loving this thing. I mean, we have so many parties on Diwali, but now every time I'm with my spouse and listening to what people are saying, and I'm not missing. I mean, it's a new revelation for me. I mean, like घर का भी कोई program है, it's not that I'm not there.
Who's the quit going on, sir? US.
Excellent. Thanks for sir. Yeah, quit is going strong. I'm counting every single day. It's technically 36 days here. मैंने 10 साल पहले छोड़ दिया था और ये इस बार बहुत difficult था. I was trying for 2 months before I came across Arun sir, and then with this techniques and with the preparation and with the group, with the team that we had, हम लोग 4-5 जन regularly मिल रहे थे हफ्ते तक. वो बहुत ही motivating था because my mindset have changed after quitting this. So yeah, I think there are a lot of benefits that to look forward. Glad कि ये बहुत ही best section रहा है life का recent past में. Journey is going good. Thank you Arun sir. Thank you everybody.
इनके 7 दिन तो पीने देगा, तो I used to happily smoking for those 7 days. उसके बाद मैंने decide किया अगले दिन से बंद हो जाएगा. So that is the time it started ticking in my mind कि अभी बंद कैसे हो जाएगा अचानक से. It is very difficult smoking for 35 years. But slowly with this found and it gives us much more motivation, much more drive to continue this way. And really thankful to you that you've been here, and of course thankful to our Guruji Arun.
I consider myself as perhaps Arun's most difficult subject. Why? Because I never wanted to quit. I absolutely enjoyed my smokes all these years. I never tried to quit.
Taking this program, I had already tried multiple times on my own through willpower, but always it used to come back, used to fall in that relapse. So I have been smoking for around 32 years, but for the last 6-7 years, मुझे पता था कि मुझे छोड़ना है. So the techniques which were taught by Arun sir, and the support in terms of the positivity around the benefits more of rather than busting of those myths really helped. Because till the time I was hooked on, even though it's not good, knowing that, but never went into that detail of understanding what it is. But Arun sir opened the eyes, and then obviously the techniques, they have really helped.